Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this trending golden snow effect in the CapCut Mobile. So here I'm going to show you the current golden snow effect is now trending on CapCut. So here, just go to effect and click on the video effect, and here on the trending, you'll easily find when you scroll down this golden snow effect. But if you cannot find it, just search for it, golden snow, and enter. So this is the effect. Click on that, and if you want to adjust, just click on adjust. Here you can change adjust the filter, glow, range, atmosphere, and also intensity. So after that, just click on a check icon, and this is the golden snow effect. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.